Amazing effect of garlic that you put under your pillow or eat. In this video, I will show you how garlic can affect heart problems, blood pressure, teeth prep, skin health, good for weight loss, or even if you ever worry about spider crawling in your mouth while you're asleep or waking up with a bunch of thick mosquito bites. Garlic is here. At the end of the video, I will tell you how to remove the bad smell of garlic from the mouth and who should avoid eating garlic. Garlic has a history of used in traditional medicine for its potential medicinal properties. It has been used to treat various ailments including colds, infection, and digestive issues. So, let's get the start. 1. Good for cardiac health. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, stops the oxidizing of LDL bad cholesterol, this reducing cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Regular consumption of garlic reduces the incidence of the blood clots. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. A single clove, about 3 grams, contains 4.5 calories, 0.2 grams of proteins, and 1 gram of carbs. Garlic is a good source of the several nutrients, notably manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, fiber. Garlic is low in calories and rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. It also contains trace amount of various other nutrients. Garlic in the garlic supplement may help prevent and reduce the severity of illness like the flu and common cold. Research from 2016 suggests that aged garlic extract (AGE) can boost your immune system. You will get sick less often. Garlic is also a potent antibacterial and can knock out common germs before they make you sick. They can also help shorten the duration of a cold or flu. Number 2. Words of cough and cold. Raw garlic has the potential to ward off cough and cold infections. Eating 2 crushed garlic cloves on an empty stomach has the maximum benefit. For kids and babies, hanging garlic cloves in the third around their necks is supposed to relieve congestion symptoms. Garlic oil might possess anti-inflammatory properties in cases of soreness and inflammation in joint or muscle. Applying garlic oil topically may be beneficial. Rubbing the affected area with garlic oil can potentially help reduce inflammation and provide relief. 3. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. According to the World Health Organization, cardiovascular disease like heart attack and stroke are responsible for more death than almost any other condition. High blood pressure or hypertension is one of the most important factors that may lead to this disease. A 2020 meta-analysis of a study trusted source found garlic supplements to reduce blood pressure in people with a high blood pressure. Researchers linked this effect to a 16–14% reduced risk of experiencing cardiovascular events. The analysis noted that the effects of the garlic was similar to some blood pressure medication, but with fewer side effects. A 2019 review trusted source noted that allicin in garlic may limit the production of angiotensin II, a hormone that increases blood pressure. It may also relax your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of the heart disease. 4. Garlic may help you live longer. The potential effects of garlic on longevity are basically impossible to prove in humans, but given the beneficial effects on important risk factors like blood pressure, it makes sense that garlic could help you live longer. The fact that it can help defense against infectious disease is also important. Such diseases are common causes of death, especially in older adults or people with weakened immune systems. 5. You will breathe better. One of the ways that garlic helps you overnight is that it can clear black nasal passages. The allicin, when breathed in mucus so that it drains, your breathing will improve, which makes it a lot easier to fall and stay asleep. Also, you can make garlic steam to breathe before bed. Simply place 3 or 5 crushed cloves into a pot of the boiling water. Turn off the heat and then inhale the steam. 6. You'll get a better night's sleep. Sleeping with the garlic under your pillow is a holistic remedy for insomnia that has been used for age. It's counterintuitive. Think that a smell as powerful as garlic could be calming, but it works. Smelling the allicin in garlic can help you fall asleep and stay asleep so that your rest is truly restorative. Beyond sleeping with garlic under your pillow, eating more of it can increase your intake of magnesium and potassium. These two minerals play a vital role in sleep by working synergistically to relax your muscles and produce a chemical called GABA. GABA is the body's signal that it's time to calm down, and it tilts out your brain cells so that they can begin the restorative work that happens overnight. But consider that one thing to remember: if you have dogs or cats, in that garlic is toxic to them. If your pets get on your bed and are prone to sipping food, it's best not to leave garlic under your pillow when you're not there. A small amount of garlic in a meal will probably not sicken a pet, but an entire clove certainly will. 7. You get rid of insects. If you ever worry about a spider crawling into your mouth while you're asleep or wake up with a bunch of mosquito bites, you appreciate having some extra protection under your pillow. Garlic is toxic to bugs, so having some under your pillow naturally discourages them from joining you in bed. In fact, some people use garlic and water spray to repel bugs in the garden, but for the purpose of repelling insects, eating garlic doesn't seem to be as effective. 8. Balances blood sugar. Those who suffer from diabetes observe their blood sugar levels, regulating the consumption of raw garlic. 9. Improve skin health. Garlic helps prevent acne and lighten acne scar. Cold sores, psoriasis, rashes, and blisters can all benefit from the application of garlic juice. It also protects against UV rays and therefore prevents aging. But be careful. Garlic products like gels and pastes are possibly safe, but garlic might cause skin damage that is similar to a burn. Especially raw garlic when applied to the skin might cause severe skin irritation. 10. Good for weight loss. Garlic reduces the expression of genes responsible for the formation of adipose cells, which store fat. It also increases hormone genes in the body and leads to the burning of more fat and the lowering of LDL bad cholesterol. Garlic side effects. Keep in mind that garlic has some downsides, such as bad breath. Some people are also allergic to garlic. Garlic may also affect your blood clotting ability. If you have a bleeding disorder or taking blood thinning medications, check with your doctor before increasing your garlic intake. Who should avoid having garlic? One must avoid having excessive amount of garlic during pregnancy or if nursing. Children can take it in doses of up to 300 mg 3 times daily for up to 8 weeks and not more than that. Do you know any other benefits? Tell us in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.